Introducing ImmersiView 360, a platform that transforms simple panoramic photos into fully interactive virtual property tours. Traditional photos show only fragments of a space. ImmersiView lets visitors explore entire environments naturally, just like being there. Creating tours is simple. From the admin dashboard, you can upload high-resolution panoramas and organize them into rooms within seconds. Using the hotspot editor, you can connect rooms together, allowing users to navigate naturally through the property. Viewers can now explore the property in full 360 degrees, seamlessly moving from room to room. Built with React, three.js, and Node.js, ImmersiView 360 delivers fast, immersive experiences across devices,